You dog, we go dog you, pep, pep, pep. If you test, we go test you, pep, pep, pep. Love me, I go love you, pep, pep, pep. Show body, we go show you, pep, pep, pep.
So if you might chop you too, you go chop pep, 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 pep. That can answer my Charlie. That was a beautiful tune. The kind there. And that song, I saw it on social media.
Yeah.
And then first thing I knew, oh yeah, the Mazan Moy Abuchi.
Abuchi, yeah.
So when I saw yours, I felt like you. By then, Abuchi was one of the bestie. Yeah, it was going. So when I saw you, and I say, yeah, Kwame Kansani, you want to be vibe. Yeah. And see, honestly, you know how I saved your name? No, I saved it within Kwame keyboardist.
Kwame.
And so I was happy when I saw you posting about Kwame Yeboah.
Yeah.
What about some show?
Kwame Yeboah now me related to him even the main Kwame Yeboah.
Oh, okay.
But another Kwame Yeboah who was a drummer. Okay. That time on Akwabwane Freedom Chapel. Yeah, and my dream by name maybe because I'm a Charlie journalist now. I wanted to be a media guy, but maybe falling out of school no. Not sure, Mr. Charlie, Massa. School no, do something. You go feel learn keyboard. Okay,
now maybe so we into my journalist. I music. But one can say media journalist in Azi. Sometimes do you assess yourself there even without going to school to have formal training in journalism, you could do better than some of these people.
Yeah, sure. For instance, now I'm a presenting radio presenter, and my study say right now the media space now quite trend. Mobile drive time, afternoon drive, drive time no particular no. We be started with worship songs.
Yeah.
They will come back to about high life and a hip life kakra kasem. Oma to ade kakra kwaba. We be phone lines. Oma per slogan be omo de be we. I think that thing is dominating. Sen can make currently. Yeah. Can be a presenter can be something different.
Yeah. I think that template was made popular by Abeku Santana. Yeah, brother Abeku Santana. Yeah. Everybody is doing
Everybody is following that.
Everybody. Now, a radio station be able to be a live worship and all that. Yeah. And I feel like you limit your creativity skills. You understand? The content is the same everywhere. Everything. So, I'm sure there, if you have the opportunity there, be
radio and
you change that. And then
okay. Since meme time no, maybe drive no, mostly near for core market. Aside market in the school for once why then. Upon and team can do that time now come entertainment side now if you school for upon omukofi na if you mama rep ewo hwa me ne bi mbekasa and as e bi upon mo commit me achi bi maba studio obi imagine say afternoon drive no menya crack academy boys too na menya prempe college bi boys too
anyway ya registered am concept was show you yet today oh baby you be fucking things where we go give you Inti a Kwame Kansani concept.
Yeah. Inti enye boys ninya ne betimi akọ national science and maths quiz.
Yeah.
We wo ha o school but hon enye ne field. The entertainment side. Match boys too. Match be another school too. Maybe this weekend menya Kateko and maybe menya WSG 2 people. Bet now. Okay, o ma bet now no. We are coming to talk about entertainment. Now this entertainment na e be kan ho asem no. Ebia obu ho we SM. We Stone Boy. Now we are coming to talk and a basic debate.
Yeah.
Yes. And the objectives we but the NTA we peshata. The NTA we super Stone Boy. Na niema omo mpem form. You say kwala kasa e kwatri. We bet me akasa me Wally fan but me mpe the side we. We because me Stone Boy fan but obeye so bu a me mpe ne sin. Na didi hu nkoma na ebie phone line say ho no be around the youth. Are you to be friends? The time I'm going for your live worship, no. The answer is yes, and even if you are going to do the live worship 10, the same live worship 10 now, you be go street in so, you be call market. The market women be woman you to you lay a keyboard near bit me up pick your studio and they call Makola market. You call any man before and call your worship. I didn't know.
What about you, Kwame? Concept tonight, one is it? Me catch you by next year, no be here.
Oh, be simple.
Welcome to the Rich.